Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most highly anticipated gaming smartphones of the year, the REDMAGIC 8 Pro. Are you ready to experience the ultimate gaming experience on a mobile device? Well, let's dive in. The REDMAGIC 8 Pro has finally made its way to the global market. And before we get into details, let me start off by saying, this is the most incredible gaming smartphone on the planet. REDMAGIC 8 Pro, a phone built for gamers, and is a decent upgrade from its predecessor. At least on paper, the specs here look nice. But is it enough for the REDMAGIC 8 Pro to take the crown as the ultimate gaming phone? First things first, let's talk about the design of this smartphone. The REDMAGIC 8 Pro has a sleek, stylish, and futuristic design that will definitely turn heads. It comes into stunning colors, the Eclipse Black and transparent silver, both of which are incredibly eye-catching. The phone itself is built like a tank, with an aluminum alloy body and a glass front and back panel. It is also incredibly lightweight, weighing in at just 118 grams. In terms of dimensions, it is 171.7 x 78.5 x 9.8 millimeters, making it easy to hold and use, even during long gaming sessions. Next up, let's talk about the display. The REDMAGIC 8 Pro comes with a 6.65-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display that offers an incredibly immersive visual experience. The screen has a refresh rate of 140 Hz and a response time up to 140 Hz, which makes it one of the smoothest displays available on a smartphone. Additionally, it has a peak brightness of 500 nits, which means that you can use it even in bright sunlight without any issues. Moving on to the performance aspect of this smartphone. The REDMAGIC 8 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor, which is currently one of the most powerful processors available for smartphones. This, coupled with the Adreno 650 GPU and 12 GB of RAM, makes it an absolute powerhouse when it comes to gaming. Additionally, it comes with 256 GB of UFS 3.0 storage, allowing you to install all your favorite games without worrying about running out of storage space. One of the standout features of the REDMAGIC 8 Pro is its gaming-specific features. These include an active cooling system that uses a built-in fan to keep the phone cool, even during intense gaming sessions, as well as shoulder triggers that can be customized to suit your gaming needs. There is also a dedicated gaming mode that optimizes system performance and disables notifications to prevent any distractions while playing. Moving on to the camera. The REDMAGIC 8 Pro comes with a 6.4MP primary camera, an 8MP ultra-wide lens. That's all about today's video. If you are interested for mobile gaming, pick one and try today's links in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's meet soon.